Christy and you are watching Big Review TV, and welcome to the one and only Look Mum No Hands. It's a cafe, bar and workshop based here in the City of London. They do everything from amazing coffee, craft beer, sandwiches, pastries, cakes, and they can completely rebuild your bicycle. It's so cool, come on in. Get yourself down to Look Mum No Hands, you will not be disappointed. I'm Christy and this is Big Review TV. Be sure to download your Big Review TV app so you can upload your own review. I'll see you soon.
Hi, my name's Alex. I work for Look Mum No Hands. I look after their press, social media, marketing and events. Look Mum No Hands is a cafe, a bicycle workshop and a bar. So we specialise in doing great coffees, good food and being able to fix your bike at the same time.